think this will work because I'm not changing it around again. I will get better at it. So, set up, nice, lovely. Yeah, so, week's been very long. I don't know whether it's just a combination of things or everything for the last couple of weeks. SMART goals are working out very well, just to update you on that, because getting up on time, pretty much getting the right time bus, always early for work anyway, bar when I have to go and collect my feckin' social welfare, because I haven't bothered switching us over to the batch education payment, which goes directly into my bank account. So I have to go to the post office at 9 o'clock, pick it up, then take an hour and a half-ish bus to work placement in Tallaght. And yeah, it's just kind of an inconvenience, but I suppose if it keeps the post office in business. Yeah, reading my book, trying to get through it. I got through the last book, which is called The Rogue. So this is the last in the Traitor Spy trilogy. Really good. Love Trudy Canavan. She's pretty good author. Some of it takes a little while to read through, but the stories are really good. And one of my colleagues in Tallaght had read the same book, and she didn't really like the ending, but I told her not to spoil it for me. Then we got on to talking about different books to read afterwards, and she's a big fan of Stephen King, and so are some of my other colleagues, so I might read King next, but I kind of want to read Animal Farm, and then I might read my friend Tina's book again, or I might read The Summit by Pat Falvey and what's his name? Pemba Gelgi. Books over on the shelf. So yeah, long week has left me kind of really meh. And I don't know. But anyway, got up this morning, fed the pets, went for a little bit of a walk outside with them as they were, chilling out, stretching their legs and things like that. And then I just watched some really cool YouTube. Haven't even bothered turning on the television or anything like that. And yeah, really happy. If you want something to just make you laugh uncontrollably, watch some of Marcus Butler's yoga videos with his girlfriend Naomi, because her laugh is brilliant. And then I watched some Marky Miller videos. Because it's nearly Movember. Yeah. So I don't know. I feel better after laughing, and actually did a little bit of art, so I'll put some of those pictures in. And I got some rock climbing done as well earlier in the week. Can't remember. It was Monday. So really big. Kind of nice to be back. Nice to see Tina again. Love you. Just, yeah. And Sinead, and brought Kate with me as well. So, yeah, it's been nice. But yeah, no, it's just been a long week, and I can't remember the amount of times where somebody has asked me what I've been doing, and I'm kind of going, no, don't even remember. It was really hard to remember what I did yesterday, let alone at the start of the week. That's why I couldn't remember that it was Monday that I went climbing. So, yeah. But had the recall day in Maynooth yesterday, which was grand. It was standard recall day, but had some really kind of good discussions around conflict and power misuse and use and how that works out. So that was really interesting, and it's nice to chat with Peter Hussey. I think he's just got a good way of explaining things. He's a drama teacher in Kildare, and he does workshops with us in class. So yeah, sorry, my back's just really bad. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I'm kind of rambling. There's no real point to this video. I just wanted to make a video. I was feeling much better, and now I'm a bit more motivated. And now that I've seen the state of the room again, I'm kind of going, yeah, shit needs to happen. I also have a shitload of t-shirts from different things. That's not from an event, but that's from one of the YCL events that I did. I have a couple of Kings of Concrete t-shirts, and I stumbled upon a DIY thing on Instructables on their Facebook page, and it's a quilt out of t-shirts. So I think I'm going to do that, because I'm not going to wear these t-shirts again, and it's one of these things I always pick up. I really like getting t-shirts and things like that at events that I go to and work at or whatever. So if I'm not going to wear them, I might as well do something with them, and a new quilt would be nice. Save me going out and buying one. So that's the long-term plan. That'll probably take me maybe a week or two to plan out, and then a week or so to do, maybe, if I do it in the evenings or at the weekend or whatever. Anyway, so keep an eye out for that, and I will get this room tidy, because shit needs doing. Wanted to make this video. Glad I got through it all in one go. Not really going to bother editing it, because, yeah. So, Gurmila Magat. I hope, the winter kind of autumny changes. It's really annoying getting up when it's pitch black, but, have to get used to that. Hope it's not affecting you as much as it kind of affected me this week, and if it is, let's talk about it, because talking is sharing and sharing is caring, and we're here to help each other, I think. So yeah, Gurmila Mahaga Darish, Slongafol, and Bias.